Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go. In the last 2 weeks, the price has returned back close to 1.17200 resistance and formed a strong bearish candle. The price dropped down to 1.15462, which is current support where the price is holding. The bearish pushdown was not so strong to break below, but the price returned back to resistance at 1.16187. This week ended with a mixed overview where the price bounced the whole week between 1.16187 and 1.15462. The week ended with a bullish pin bar and the candlestick is on strong support. The low of the pin bar touched the downtrend support line, which gives significance to this candlestick. So currently we have a bullish pin bar on the horizontal support line, on the downtrend support line, which together form a confluence of support. Because the market is largely bearish oriented, it is not good an option to give everything the buying, but to enter step by step. If the price reaches 1.14748, it will be a much better option to enter into bullish opportunities because it is the strongest support compared to where the price is now. The price could reach again 1.16187 and from there form a bearish signal going to 1.14748. If the price breaks above 1.16187, it will be just a first step to see the price changing to a bullish mode. Only when the price breaks above 1.17200, then it will be the sign of the bulls. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Happy trading!